Solve 4 sine square 4x by 3 minus 3 equal to 0, where x lie in the interval 0 to 360 degrees. Here they told you to solve. So you should find the values for x satisfying this equation, and also it should lie in the interval 0 to 360 degrees. First, the given equation is 4 sine square 4x by 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Here you have sine. So now you should make sine the subject. For that, remove all the connections connected to sine. First, to remove minus 3, you add 3. So we get 4 sine square 4x by 3 equal to 3. Now to remove 4, you divide by 4. We get sine square 4x by 3 equal to 3 by 4. Now to get sine, we should shift the square to the other side. Whenever square gets shifted to the other side, it will become square root. So you get square root of 3 by 4. Not only that, you should consider both positive and also negative. So we get plus or minus. Square root 3 will remain, by square root of 4 is 2. So now we got sine 4x by 3 equal to plus root 3 by 2 sine 4x by 3 equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now to get the values for this, here it is sine and here it is positive. So now you should check in what all quadrants is sine positive. It is all silver teacups. So sine is positive in the first and in the second. So now 4x by 3 equal to get an angle in the first quadrant, we do directly sine inverse root 3 by 2. To get an angle in the second quadrant, we do 180 minus sine inverse root 3 by 2. Now here, to get the values for this, here it is sine and here it is negative. Sine is negative in the third and in the fourth. To get an angle in the third quadrant, we should do 180 plus sine inverse root 3 by 2. To get an angle in the fourth quadrant, we should do 360 minus sine inverse root 3 by 2. Now, remember this, the negative sign is used only for selecting the quadrants. Once quadrants have been selected, do not place negative sign again here. Remember that. Now, 4x by 3 equal to, put this in the calculator, you get 60. Calculate this, you get 120. Here 4x by 3 equal to, calculate this, you get 240. Calculate this, you get 300. Now the question arises, in what interval should the values for 4x by 3 lie? Question 2. More, how many values shall I find for this? To answer that, we do this. Here x lie in this interval. We should get 4x by 3. First, to get 4x, you multiply by 4. So we get 0 less than or equal to 4x less than or equal to 360 into 4. Now to get by 3, you divide by 3. So we get 0 less than or equal to 4x by 3. Less than or equal to, calculate this, you get 480. Now the values for 4x by 3 should lie in this interval. When this happens, automatically the values for x will lie in this interval. Am I clear? Now we should write all the values for 4x by 3 in this interval. Does 60 present in this interval? Yes, accept it. Does 120 lie in the interval? Yes, accept it. Now to get another value, I should add 360 to this. When I add 360, I get 420. Does this lie in this interval? Yes, accept it. Now to get another value, I should add 360 to this. Now I get 480. Does this lie in this interval? Here you have equal to symbol. That means you should include 480. So accept 480. Now to get another angle, I should add 360 to this. When I add 360, I will get a value which do not lie in this interval, so you reject it. Now here, does 240 lie in the interval? Yes, accept it. Does 300 lie in the interval? Yes, accept it. Now to get another value, we should add 360 to this. When I add 360, I will get a value which do not lie in this interval. So you reject it. So the values we got for 4x by 3 are 60, 120, 420, 480, 240, 300. Clear? Now, to get the values for x, I should remove this 4 by 3. So to remove 4 by 3, you should multiply by 3 by 4, 2 each, into 3 by 4, into 3 by 4, into 3 by 4, into 3 by 4. Now this cancel out. Here you get x. Put this in the calculator. You get 45. Put this in the calculator. You get 90. Calculate this. You get 315. Calculate this. You get 360. Calculate this. You get 180. Calculate this, you get 225. So these are the values for x. This is our answer. Am I clear?